this is what this lady said helped her survive the hurricane so far: a gas car, a gas stove, a gas hot water heater, a gas chainsaw, and cash. Things that are and were useless during the hurricane. Electric cars, because you can't charge anything on water because you'll get electrocuted. Electric appliances, it's kind of self-explanatory with that one too. Debit cards, the city bus, the government, diversity, my tax dollars to Ukraine. So I thought that was pretty funny to share.